The Boo and I are done with work. I actually think she's been in the newscast as much as I have this week. She's starting to get her own little fan club. Anyways, we're done with the show. I've got my athleisure wear on, but I still have work to do, so I need a caffeine kick because I'm starting to hit that lull. I decided to do delivery today because I do have so much to take care of. And I ordered from La La Land Cafe. I really wanted to try this place. They're actually on Instagram, and that's how I found them first. Their drinks and their food looks amazing. And since I can't go there, I'm gonna have them bring some of that amazing here with their French toast latte. And the Uber driver just texted and said she's downstairs. I decided to enjoy my coffee outside. This says La La Land, a fanciful state, dream word. Kind of feels like we're living in a dream world. It's warm, it's gonna be like 90 degrees today, which is why I ordered an iced French toast latte. I love anything sweet. And I even paid a little extra for some sort of fancy foam that La La Land makes. I'm not sure if it's still there after the 20-minute delivery. Let's find out. I was a little concerned that it would be too sweet, so I substituted the regular milk for coconut milk. That's by far my favorite. Not too sweet at all. In fact, it's smooth, and it's got a nice little maple undertone, but it's not powerful, like you're pouring a bucket of syrup in your mouth. You know, it really does taste bread-like. So if you like sweet drinks, La La Land has a lot of them. There's a s'mores latte, a creme brulee latte. I mean, there are plenty other of options, but I'm going for the sweet stuff. There was also a toast I think I'd have to try next time. Something with strawberries and honey. Check out their menu. I wanted to note that when I opened up the Uber Eats app, there was an option to donate $2 back to La La Land. And this is specifically to help out the workers who have been so impacted by the coronavirus pandemic. Wanted to point that out as we continue to support small business. And I actually think I'm gonna finish the whole thing. So now I can just sit here and enjoy my caffeine because I got nothing but time.